I am getting on a flight in less than 2 days and I have not packed a thing. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sarah and I make travel and lifestyle vlogs. It is Wednesday today and I am getting on a flight Friday morning, like early Friday morning. So I basically have like a day and a half to completely pack, do everything I need to do. It is my family's summer vacation. We've done one every single year since as long as I can remember, pretty much. This year we are going to Banff National Park up in Canada. We're just going for a week. And yes, I am wearing my semester at sea shirt. I've been editing the last of my semester at sea vlogs, which is so sad, and I miss my friends very much. My family has always been pretty good at being minimalist packers, and when we go on vacations that are like on flights, there's 6 of us and we always just take 3 suitcases. So basically I'm only bringing enough to fit in a carry-on. I'm also bringing like my own backpack as a personal item, but other than that, it's pretty much like what would fit in that bag right there. I'm not actually bringing that bag, but it just helps me kind of visualize how much stuff I'm bringing. So you could say that I've definitely been brought up to be a pretty minimalist packer. So I have my little list here of things that I am going to try and pack. The weather's gonna be kind of interesting because it's more up north. It's in Canada. Granted, I'm in Minnesota, so kind of the same, but usually it's chillier, like high in like 73, but when we're there it could be up to like 85, 83, something like that. So weather is gonna be a little interesting to pack for, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I literally haven't packed anything, so let's get packing. That's my backpack. It's my school backpack, but it's what I normally bring if I have just like a personal item. Glasses, definitely the most important thing that I need to bring. My SAS number's on there. Okay, so I've done these kind of trips so many times. Like my family trips are always usually pretty like active. We get up early, we go do things, we do a hike, we do a lot of walking. So it's not really like a cutie outfit kind of. I mean, obviously my clothes are cute. I like them, I like the way they look, but they're more of like an athletic style or like outdoorsy vibe. I'm really used to packing for that kind of stuff, and so I kind of have clothes that I know I'll bring every time. I'm gonna bring 2 swimsuits. So I have this really cute light blue and white floral patterned swimsuit that's from Billabong, and then I'm also gonna bring this like red floral pattern one, is also from Billabong. They're really super comfy. I could be wearing them all day. Super nice. And then for like sleeping, I just have these 2 t-shirts, a Aloha shirt that's from Ava Jules actually. I actually changed shirts because I realized I wanted to bring my blue semester at sea shirt. So those 2 shirts are for sleeping. And then I have 2 pairs of sleeping shorts. And then I also have vitamins. I'm gonna bring 2 pairs of shoes. I'm gonna bring these blue tennis shoes. They're Adidas, the cloud foam ones. And then I'm also gonna be bringing my Birks, but I'm gonna be wearing those on the plane. This is a little foldable backpack that we always bring on family vacations. We each have one of these, and then we just, whatever we need for the day, we just unfold it and put them in there. Because the weather is gonna be so kind of questionable in terms of hot or cold, or in the morning it might be like 50 degrees, middle of the afternoon it could be like 75. But I'm gonna bring this blue coat. It was one of my staples on semester at sea. I brought it literally everywhere with me. It's super comfortable. It's deceptively warm. So yeah, bringing this with me. I'm bringing 4 pants, and I think I'll bring 4 shorts. I haven't figured out my shorts yet, but I just have like 2 pairs of leggings, a black legging and like light gray, and then these like athletic joggers, and these are more like sweatpants joggers. For long sleeves, I have this green long sleeve that I got at Banff National Park in northern Minnesota. It's super comfortable. I bring it everywhere. It layers really well. If you've noticed, there's kind of a color pattern with like blues, greens, and grays. It's like a majority of my clothing. And then I have this khaki long sleeve that I got at Goodwill several years ago, and it's like covered in holes, but I love it, and it goes with everything, so I always have that. Navy blue sweatshirt that I also got at, actually, I think this I got at a bag day sale, which if you don't know what they are and if you've never been to one, it's like extreme Goodwill. Everything you can fit in a grocery bag for $5. So highly recommend that. And then this blue flannel that I've had for years and also got at a bag day sale. These are my shorts. They're very KonMari method, Marie Kondo. I think I'm gonna bring 4 pairs of shorts. Then I'll have 4 pairs of pants and 4 pairs of shorts. And I'm gone for 8 days. Okay, I think I'm gonna bring these. These are from Aerie. They're like really fun fabric-y kind of floral yellow patterned shorts. They're really comfortable, but they also look really nice, so I can dress them up really well. This is very difficult. Okay, I think I'm gonna bring these. They're from Bearded Goat. They're kind of a smaller company, but I call them my safari shorts. They're very outdoorsy, very comfortable, like this safari green color. I do not know if I want to bring jean shorts or not. I'm not really a jeans person. Like, I'm not gonna bring jean pants. I don't know. I'm gonna put these on the side. We'll think about that. But I do think I'm gonna bring these biker shorts. They're from Fabletics. They have pockets. Super, super comfortable. Okay, and then I think the final pair of shorts I'm gonna bring are my like gray terry cloth color shorts, which are currently getting washed. So I will make sure to put those in my suitcase later. So as you can see, this is what I've narrowed my t-shirts down to. This is what I like to do. I like to just spread it out and then narrow it down from there. Both of my pajama shirts are ones that I would like be willing to wear as a regular shirt. I also have these two airy like cropped tank tops that I really love, and I think I'm going to bring both of them. We're gonna set them off to the side over here, so that like might be 2 of my shirts, but we're only gone for 8 days, so I don't need any more than 8 shirts. But since we are doing like pretty active hikes and stuff, I don't want to like be re-wearing something sweaty again. So now I have to narrow this down. I think I'm gonna put both of these red shirts back because red is just not really the vibe. Like, if we're gonna be able to like mix and match clothing, I really like my blue, gray, green theme. That's the downside. Everything likes to fall off. Literally picking t-shirts is always the hardest part. Pants, shorts, long sleeves, not a problem. T-shirts, I don't know why that is so hard for me, but it is. Which purpley shirt? Beatles or Yosemite? Beatles. I'm gonna bring Beatles. Beatles. Actually, I take that back. I always bring Beatles. I'm bringing Yosemite this time. Seems more like a Yosemite trip. I'm gonna say no to this little marble crop top, and no to one of my Yam House t-shirts. Yam House is a local band to the Twin Cities in Minnesota. I did just decide against the jean shorts because I don't really like walking in jean shorts. Just kind of uncomfortable for me overall, so I'm just gonna go for more comfy shorts. And so these are like the gray terry cloth shorts that I'll bring, and they're like really comfortable. I can like sleep in them, I can just hang out in them, I can hike in them. They're super comfortable, so I'm definitely bringing those. I also just went on a little side quest because I lost my beloved turtle necklace that I got in Hawaii 2 years ago. I just never put it back on when we were in our Airbnb in Portugal. Anyway, I just did some research and I found the exact one from the exact store that I bought it in, and it's being shipped from Hawaii, so it'll still be a necklace from Hawaii. But I'm so happy because I love that necklace so much, and I've really missed it for the last 2 months. So I am 3 months. I lost it 3 months ago. Goodness. Portugal was 3 months ago. Anyway, so that's really exciting. I almost got my t-shirts figured out, and that's like the last clothing thing, really. Oh, I need to do socks. I need to get socks. But then it's pretty much just like toiletries, which I can't really pack until like tomorrow night anyway, because I'm going to be using them. Laptop and chargers, and my like tech bag for editing, tripod, stuff like that. Okay, so I finally figured out what t-shirts I'm going to bring. I'm going to bring these 2 cropped airy tank tops. This light gray one from Nantucket that I got last year. This one from Curaçao. This navy blue lightly striped shirt. It's kind of a nicer one. I'm bringing this purple Yosemite one that I got a few years ago. This airy darker green, really lightweight shirt. It has like mountains on it. It's really soft, really comfortable. And then this really thin cropped gray t-shirt. Okay, today is day 2 of packing. We leave bright and early tomorrow morning. I literally think we're waking up at like 4 a.m. I'm almost done packing. I pretty much just have to put together my backpack. I think I need to get socks, but I feel like that's pretty much it. So yeah, let's find socks. This is my little toiletry bag. It's the same one that I brought everywhere I've been in the last, I don't know, 10 years. But I just have normal stuff: face wash, lotion, deodorant, retainers, shampoo, contacts, hair binders and stuff like that. And I have my little hair products here. Okay, so this is my backpack, my school backpack that I've had forever. I have my laptop, obviously, journal, my pencil case. Literally could not fit another pen in there if I wanted to. And my phone charger, but I'm not gonna pack that until tomorrow because I'm gonna need it overnight, obviously. But this is my laptop charger. Passport, very important. Can't go to Canada without one. Glasses, because I can't see. Sunglasses. Wallet. This is my tech bag. It has my extra ports for my laptop and my SSD card and my portable charger and all that stuff. These are mosquito bracelets because mosquitoes love me way more than I like them. Some Trolley Sour Bright eggs that I picked up yesterday. And this is my med bag. It has my inhaler and like any allergy medicines that I might need. Very necessary. And also obviously my trusty water bottle that has stickers from all over the world and all over the country. Headphones. I need headphones. Where are my headphones? I'll be setting aside one set of clothes to wear tomorrow to the airport. It'll be like leggings, a t-shirt, long sleeve. I'm gonna wear my Birks and socks. Overall, I'm bringing 8 sets of socks, underwears, and bras, 2 joggers, 2 pairs of leggings, 4 shorts, 3 long sleeves, 1 sweatshirt, 6 t-shirts, 2 sets of pajamas, 2 tank tops, 2 swimsuits, 1 pair of tennis shoes, and 1 pair of Birks. Okay, so I just have this carry-on suitcase and then this coat and then this pair of tennis shoes and then just my backpack. But yeah, that's everything I'm bringing with me to Banff. All in a carry-on suitcase, no checked bags. Obviously, the 6 of us are bringing 3 checked bags. We each always end up bringing about a carry-on amount worth of stuff. So that's why I just wanted to demonstrate that even though technically we are having checked bags, the amount of bringing is a carry-on only amount of stuff. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you can be notified when I post my next video, which will be about visiting Banff and a little vlog about being there. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.